New at 6, a thief gets a little too comfortable in a Sugar Land homeowner's garage. You're looking at surveillance video from the 3100 block of East Hickory Park Circle last month. In it, you can see the heavyset man walk into a garage while casually smoking a cigarette and walk out with a tool. Well, instead of leaving, he ends up going back for more. The heist ended up costing the homeowner $600. If you recognize the man in this video, call Crime Stoppers.
Well, it can happen without warning and be completely debilitating, a massive stroke. That's exactly what happened to a local cheerleading coach. But instead of struggling to get her life back, she's nearly back at 100% thanks to a powerful stroke treatment that can only be performed at one of 2 hospitals in Texas. Health reporter Haley Hernandez explains.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
Young, healthy, and vibrant. How else would you describe cheerleaders or a cheer gym? That's exactly how I would describe this cheer gym's owner, Christy Miller, which is why she never suspected she'd be waking up to a massive stroke.
The room spun and then I hit the floor.
Competitive cheer coach Christy Miller is not talking about a day of tumbling.
Let's go, on 5.
She's talking about the moment she had a stroke. Typically with a blood clot in the brain, doctors have just a few hours to give a drug called TPA to bust it and save the person's quality of life.
I needed something more or I wasn't going to survive.
For Miller, her clot was so large, the drug did nothing for her. Fortunately, Life Flight got her to the Texas Medical Center, where one of 2 hospitals in Texas can perform a new procedure to physically travel through the brain and remove the clot up to 6 hours after the onset of symptoms.
And as we said, time is highly important.
Amru Siraj, neurologist at Memorial Hermann Mishra Neuroscience Institute, is one of the only doctors in Texas performing the endovascular thrombectomy. He says it can take patients who would otherwise lose the ability to walk or talk after a stroke and return them to nearly perfect health.
1 out of 4 patients ending up going back to almost normal life and independence is probably the most powerful treatments in the history of medicine.
Miller says when she woke up, she had no idea how close she was to losing everything.
My dad walked in the room and he said, "This is the happiest moment of my life to see you like this."
Miller says she returned to work in 2 weeks, placing in cheer competitions, and says she's recovered nearly 100%. Reporting in Humble, I'm Haley Hernandez, KPRC Channel 2 News.